Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and I have a fun one for us to do today. Now, a little while ago, we did a video testing putting pearls into Performance Series gallons. We wanted to see what was going to happen. Were the pearls going to get swallowed up, or was it going to change the colors for the better? I actually didn't think it was going to work very well, and surprisingly enough, it worked out pretty great. So what we did is showed you 4 different color combos of different pearls going into different Performance Series gallons. And the goal was, if any of them worked out, we were going to take the one that you guys were most interested in and take it from small scale all the way to full scale on a whole car. Now, out of all 4 that we showed you guys, the one that you guys were most interested in was the Sharkskin Grey and Carbon Blue combo. Not the one I would have expected, but if you look at all the comments in that video, clearly the one that got the most attention was the Sharkskin Grey and Carbon Blue. So here's what we're going to do. We've got our Evo. It's got an avalanche gray base. Down on it right now, we've got a couple gallons of Sharkskin Grey. We've got some Carbon Blue pearls. It's time to mix them all up, put them down on the car. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is complete. Now, when we first did this small scale for our last video, I remember telling Gabe, if we just put blue pearls into Sharkskin Grey, all we're gonna do is create a pastel blue, and nobody's gonna wanna see a pastel blue. But we did it anyway, and we watched the comments in that video, and I remember thinking, why is everybody singling out the Sharkskin variant? Who's out there liking a pastel blue? I did not expect that at all. And now that we've gone full scale with it and it's on the Evo, I think I might get it. Now, it's not my favorite color of all time, but it's so different than any other blue or any other color we've ever done. We've never had anything close to a pastel color before. So either you love a pastel blue and that's why you like it, or it's just so different, you like seeing new content and you like seeing new experiments, and maybe that's why you're drawn to it. Either way, let me know in the comments section below, do you love it? Is it meh? Or do you absolutely hate it? Either way, it was a fun project. Now, if you want to do a Sharkskin Grey variant using pearls, here's what you do. We put links in the description box below. First, just go and get a Sharkskin Grey car kit in whatever size you need. That will get the base gallons, the Sharkskin Grey gallons, the accessories, and even a sprayer if you need one. Then just select whatever pearl you want and get 50 grams of pearl per gallon of Sharkskin Grey in your kit. You can do exactly what we did here and use carbon blue, or you can use basically any pearl that you want. That's kind of the beauty of this. You can use whatever combos you want. Now, you may want to do small scale testing before you go large scale. It's completely up to you. Either way, have fun with it. If you have any questions at all, email us, customerservice@DipYourCar.com. Call in and speak to us or chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys enjoy the experiment. Let's take it outside so we can check it out. I will see you on the next video.